folks. What's new and exciting? Before I even begin this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. And if you're my 1741st subscriber, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, what do? I just blog Buddington. Mostly tools, mostly bikes. Some machining, some welding in the spring and summer, and random shit. Brake stuff. I have a big TV on the brake. So this is my weekly what's new. This is a short what's new. My camera is making me look over here somewhere. I don't know. And I'm looking at the camera awkward because the camera is backwards. So where am I looking? I'm supposed to look this way. Where's the camera? Is it over here? I don't know. So anyway, weekly what's new? Not much. It's -12. It's freezing out. I got one or two tool reviews. I picked up a charging thing for my headphone, my iPod, and it's fake. Well, I expect it to be fake because nobody pays $32 for AirPod 2 Apple headphones all the way from Australia, shipped out of Florida. That was pretty sketchy. Just waiting for warmer weather, busy with stuff, and so not much new going on. Still making videos, still finding to do. I've been cleaning up the shop a little. Surprise. I'm almost gotten to the point where I'm going to move the welding machine on the other side of the room, but I have a pile of junk I got to move. Gotta play a little, what's that? Ever see that game there? You move the bus, you move the car, and you gotta move it around. That's what it is in here. I had two bikes in here. One I'm not leaving outside. In my other one, the other day, it was super windy here the other day, and I bought a motorcycle, a three-wheeler cover, and believe it or not, the wind caught the three-wheeler cover and blew it right off the bike. Thankfully, I didn't put the door on my shed where the bike's supposed to go, because the cover got ripped right off my bike and went right inside the shed, so I didn't lose a $30 cover. My temporary tarp roof is still kind of holding. I have to redo the roof because it's terrible. Other than that, I'm just still tinkering, messing around with the bike. I figured out how to make the expansion things on the bike. I'm waiting to get some money so I can buy some genuine Honda bolts because I don't have any extra long bolts for this bike. I have a million bolts for the Big Reds because I bought 2 bags of extra bolts so I could do whatever I want on that, but I need at least 2-inch bolts. I'm going to cut some, I think it's 1.5 inch square tubing for some things, but that's just another thing. I'm going to cut it out, mount it on there, and then try to figure out how to mount it. But it looks like I can get the seat, the fenders, the 200 lettered fenders on there, and so if you're like Honda ATCs, I have a couple of Big Reds, 250s, I have a 85, 86, 87, and I have a 200 no letter. And I got a little mini one coming in the mail. So stay tuned. There's a mini 70 coming. Yeah, I can't wait. But if you're watching this and you know anything about mini 70s, should I buy a Piranha engine for it? I want to buy those little Piranha engines with electric start. Engines take off. I don't think my son would appreciate a super fast bike. But with that said, I'm ready. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's just my update. I don't got much to do. It's just me tinkering around stuff. So next time I'll spin the camera on so I'm even looking in the right spot. I don't know if I'm supposed to look over here maybe. Yeah, maybe I look over there. I should put a sign here that says look here. It kind of looks like I'm looking that way. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, just keep watching. I do all kinds of stuff. Thanks for watching.